Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video we will solve problem 7 and 8 of miscellaneous exercise on chapter 14 in 11th class maths. The 7th problem is A and B are two events such that probability of A is equal to 0.54, probability of B is 0.69 and probability of A intersection B is 0.35. We have to find first probability A union B, second probability A complement intersection B complement, third probability A intersection B complement, fourth probability B intersection A complement. So what is given is two events whose probabilities are given and the probability of their intersection is also given. You have to find these four probabilities. Okay, so let us start with the first one. So that is PA union B, right? So this is equal to what? You know the formula, PA plus PB minus PA intersection B, right? So this is equal to PA is what? 0.54 plus PB is 0.69 minus PA intersection B is 0.35. okay, so if we add this 0.54 and 0.69, we get 9 plus 4 is 13, 5 plus 1 is 6 plus 6 is 12 and 1 here. So 1.23 minus 0.35. so if we minus 0.35 here, so 1 borrowed, 1 remains, so again 1 borrowed, 0 here. 13 minus 5 is 8, 11 minus 3 is 8 and this is 0. So 0.88 is the answer. Okay, so now second, let us see, that is P A complement intersection B complement. So here what we can do is use the De Morgan's formula. So P that is A complement intersection B complement is A union B the whole complement. So this is by De Morgan's law. So this is equal to what? Now P probability of complement of a set, that is 1 minus probability of the set. So 1 minus probability of A union B. So this is equal to 1 minus probability of A union B is 0.88. So that is nothing but 0.12. okay, so this we have second sub problem we have solved. Now let us go to the third one. So third is we have to find probability A intersection B complement. Okay, so if we draw the draw a Venn diagram here and understand, let us see. So suppose this is set A and this is set B. Okay, so this is A B, right? This is A intersection B. Now first of all, A if we mark here, so A will be this whole set A. Okay, and if we look at B complement, then it is the region which is outside B, so that means this. Right, so this is the region. Now intersection means the common region of this red line and blue lines. What is that? You can see that the common region is this one. Right, this is the common region. So if we write in the terms of set notation, so A intersection B complement is nothing but the whole set A, right, minus this small part A intersection B, right? And so the probability will also be written as what, PA minus this PA intersection B. Only instead of sets we have to write in terms of the probability. Okay, so this is equal to PA is given to us, that is 0.54 minus PA intersection B is 0.35. So 0.54 minus 0.35, so 1 borrowed, 4 remains. 14 minus 5 is 9, 4 minus 3 is 1 and 0 here, so 0.19 is the answer. Okay, so now let us go to the fourth sub problem. So we have to find what probability of B intersection A complement. Probability B intersection A complement. Again we will draw the Venn diagram here. So this is suppose the A set A, and this is set B, and this is A intersection B, right? Now if we look at B set, then it is this, the whole B set, right? And then if we look at A complement, then it will be this, A complement is outside A, so this part. Okay, here. Right, so if you look at the common region, and the common region is this, because we have to look at the intersection, so we have to look at the common region. So this black area here, okay, the border, which is this black border which is surrounding the area, that area is your B intersection A complement. So if we write B intersection A complement, it is equal to the whole set B minus this small set A intersection B. Okay, so now this set we have to write in terms of probability. So P of B minus P of A intersection B, so that is equal to PB is given to us 0.69 minus PA intersection B is also given 0.35. So this will be what, 4, 3, right, and point, so 0.34 it is. Okay, this is the answer. So we have solved the problem number 7. Now let us go to the problem number 8. So let us read the problem number 8. From the employees of a company, 5 persons are selected to represent them in the managing committee of the company. Particulars of 5 persons are as follows: serial number. So there are 5 persons. Name are Harish, Rohan, Chital, Alice, Salim, and their sex or gender is given to us, and age in years is also given. So now a person is selected at random from this group to act as a spokesperson. What is the probability that the spokesperson will be either male or over 35 years? So 5 persons are there. A person is selected at random, okay, from the group to act as a spokesperson, right? Spokesperson means the person which talks on behalf of the company. Okay, now what is the probability that the spokesperson will be either male or over 35 years. This we have to answer. So now what we will first look at is the sample space, the number of elements in the sample space. So number of elements in the sample space will be what? Since from these 5 persons 1 is selected, that means number of elements will be 5c1, right, which is nothing but 5. Now let us consider the two events. Okay, so let A be, so let A be the event that the spokesperson is a male. Okay, and B be the event that the spokesperson is a female. Okay, so now if we look at the number of elements in A, so what will get it? Number of elements in A will be what? So the event that the spokesperson is male. So since there are 3 males and 1 is selected, okay, from the 3 males, because this event is what? Event is that the spokesperson is a male. So now you only have to look at the names which are males, right, and then from these 3 males 1 will be selected, right. So 3c1, so that is equal to 3, right. Now nb, let us look at. Now nb means what? Number of elements in the set B, that is B is nothing but the event that the spokesperson is a female. Oh sorry, what I have done here is spokesperson is over 35 years, it is okay. Okay, so this is the event B. What is event B? The event that the spokesperson is over 35 years. So now if you look at the persons who are who have the age more than 35, so it is this 46 here and 41, right. So that is 1 female 1 male, that doesn't matter, but the 2 persons and the number of persons whose age is over 35 years is 2. So from the 2 1 will be selected, right. So now what we have got is number of elements in A is 3, number of elements in B is 2, right. So now let us look at what we have to find. So what is asked is the probability that the spokesperson will be either male or over 35 years. So probability of, you will get A union B. Okay, so we have to find some probability that the spokesperson is a male or over 35 years, right. So that is what we have to find is P A union B. Why? Because A means the spokesperson is male, union means or, and B means the spokesperson is over 35 years. Okay, so now we know that P A union B is equal to P A plus P B minus P A intersection B, right. So P A union B will be equal to, P A is given probability of A, that is, so that is nothing but 3 by, so number of elements in the sample space is 5, so 3 by 5 plus P B is 2 by 5 right? Number of elements in B divided by number of elements in the sample space. So 2 by 5 minus probability of A intersection B. Now in A intersection B, how many elements are there, that also we have to find. Okay, so that means if we write it here, so number of elements in A intersection B. So A intersection B means what? The event that the spokesperson is a male and is over 35 years, right? So there is only one male which is over 35 years, and that is Salim here, right? So what we will get is number of elements in A intersection B is 1. So we will get 1 by 5. So this implies probability of A union B is equal to 3 plus 2 minus 1 divided by 5. So that is nothing but 3 plus 2 is 5, 5 minus 1 is 4, and then divided by 5. So this is the required probability. So that is the answer. Okay, so if you have liked the video, please hit the like button. If you have not subscribed my channel, please do subscribe. I will see you in the next video.